Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, April the 30th at Dollar General. And in this video, I have a total of 5 awesome deals for y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, I want to talk about last week's 5 off $25 scenario video. So in that video, I told you guys that I normally get about 4,000 views. And if we could get at least 2,000 likes, which was about half of you guys who watch my videos, if y'all could hit that thumbs up button, I promised you guys we would do a gift card giveaway this weekend. Now, we didn't hit that goal. We only got 773 likes, which is fabulous. Thank you guys so much. And that gave me a boost. And look at the views. I ended up with 7,000 views. So thank you guys so much for hitting that thumbs up button. Now this week I'm going to lower the bar just a little bit since we didn't hit that 2,000 like goal. I'm going to lower it just a little bit. If we can hit 1,500, I will do a gift card giveaway in next weekend's video. Now, just because we're not doing a gift card giveaway this weekend doesn't mean I'm not going to do a giveaway, because this weekend we have the P&G insert coming out. Yesterday I uploaded a video where we went over some insert previews. We have the Save, the Unilever, and the P&G insert coming out on Sunday. So I did insert preview, and in that video I am going to do a P&G insert giveaway. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out, and I will leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so now we're about to get into the 5 off $25 scenarios, and I did have a couple of comments on last week's video asking me if I could include the pictures of the items and the coupons, and I know a lot of y'all are used to at least having the pictures of the coupons that you need for those scenarios, and I really do apologize. I just haven't had the extra time. We only have a couple more weeks left in soccer season. That is taking up a lot of my time, especially in the evenings when we're traveling. Sometimes we don't get back till 11, 12 at night, so it's just been a lot busier in my life, in my personal life here lately, but just bear with me. I apologize that this week, unfortunately, I didn't have time to add in the pictures of the coupons, but I promise, just give me a couple more weeks. We're almost through, and I will have a lot more time on my hands to include those pictures for you all. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into these deals, shall we? So first up, we have a diaper deal this week. So you want to pick up one of these super-sized boxes of Love's diapers. They are priced at $21.95. These are the larger counts, depending on which size you need. 80 count, 92 count, 112 count. So you're getting a lot of bang for your buck here. Then you want to pick up 3 of the Gerber baby food jars at $3. They are $1 each. And one of the Colgate Junior toothpaste priced at $1. That's going to bring your subtotal to $25.95. And here's the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Love's Super Pack of diapers, the 1 off 3 Gerber baby food, and the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be $14.95 for all 5 items, making each one just $2.99 each. Now for this one, I don't want y'all to focus too much on that $2.99 each number. Think of it this way. You're getting $7 off of that huge pack of Love's diapers, plus you're getting all the other items included in the scenario for completely free. Alright guys, so for this next scenario, this is kind of a little food deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Kingsford 8-pound charcoal bags for $8.50, one of the Pearl Milling pancake mixes at $2.65, one of the Cafe Bustelo coffees at $3.60, one of the Funnables 10-count fruit snacks at $2, one of the Skintimate women's razors at $5.50, one of the Vicks cough drops for $1 found in the dollar aisle, one of the Colgate Junior toothpaste for $1, and 3 of the American greeting cards for $1.50. Those are 50 cents each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $25.75. And here's a list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 305 off 1 Kingsford Charcoal, the 1 off 1 Pearl Milling products, the 1 off 1 Cafe Bustelo coffee, the 1 off 1 Funnables fruit snacks, the 4 off 1 Skintimate razors, the 1 off 1 Vicks cough drops, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, and the 1 off 3 American greeting cards. Your subtotal after coupons will be $6.70 for all 10 items, making each one just 67 cents each. All right, next up, we have a little household deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Tide laundry products priced at $5.50. You can pick up the liquid or the pods. One of these Snuggle 40-count dryer sheets at $2.35. One of the Dawn Easy Squeezes at $2.85. 3 of the Chlorine multi-purpose spray bottles for $6. Those are $2 each. One of the Skintimate women's razors at $5.50. One of the Funables 10-count fruit snacks at $2. One of the Colgate Junior toothpaste at $1. And 3 of the American greeting cards for $1.50. Those are 50 cents each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $26.70. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Tide laundry products, the 125 off 1 Snuggle, the 1 off 1 Dawn Easy Squeeze, the buy 2 get 1 free for the Chlorine products, the 4 off 1 Skintimate women's razors, the 1 off 1 Funables fruit snacks, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, and the 1 off 3 American greeting cards. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.45 for all 12 items, making each one just 62 cents each. Alright, next up is our personal care deal for the week. You want to pick up one of the Skintimate women's razors priced at $5.50, one of the CoverGirl eyeliners 2-count priced at $4.50, one of the CoverGirl face powders for $6, 2 of the Garnier Fructis products for $6. They are $3 each. You can pick up the shampoo, the conditioner, or the leave-in conditioner, one of the St. Joseph's aspirin priced at $2, and one of the Colgate Junior toothpaste priced at $1. That is going to put your subtotal at $25 on the dot. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 4 off 1 Skintimate razors, the 3 off 1 CoverGirl eye, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl face, the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis, the 1 off 1 St. Joseph's aspirin, and the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $3 for 7 items, making each one just 42 cents each. Alright, and next up here is your low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Skintimate women's razors priced at $5.50, one of the CoverGirl eyeliners 2-count priced at $4.50, 2 of the Garnier Fructis products priced at $6. Those are $3 each. Again, the shampoo, the conditioner, or the styling products. 3 of the American greeting cards for $1.50. Those are 50 cents each. One of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1, found in the dollar aisle. One of the Colgate Junior toothpaste for $1. One Vicks cough drops for $1. Also found in the dollar aisle, one of the Oral-B Indicator 2-count toothbrushes for $3, and one of the Snuggle 40-count dryer sheets for $2.35. And the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario are the 5 off 25, the 4 off 1 Skintimate razors, the 3 off 1 CoverGirl eye, the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Vicks cough drops, the 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrushes, and the 125 off 1 Snuggle product. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $2.60 for all 12 items, making each one just 21 cents each. Now for a couple of quick reminders, don't forget once you're done shopping this weekend to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards Rebate app because you want to earn those points. You can turn those points into gift cards. Now if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend that you go and check it out because this is the easiest rebate app out there. You don't have to worry about adding anything onto your account or anything like that. All you have to do is go into the store, purchase your products. Once you're done, take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on those products. Then you can turn those points into gift cards. So it is super simple and easy. Definitely go and check it out. And if you want to use my referral code, it is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to get a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, now I usually put this slide at the beginning of the video, but we're doing things a little bit backwards this week. So if you are new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So when you are in the store, it is very, very important that you scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store, and it is very, very important, especially right now because we are seeing prices go up daily. So scan, scan, scan. Y'all know that is the golden rule here on the Craz-E Coupons YouTube channel. And one more last reminder, don't forget to go and watch the insert preview and giveaway video. I will have it linked in the pinned comment down below. So go and check it out and enter for your chance to win some inserts. And I will be announcing the winners in Sunday's new coupons video. So like I said, it's linked in the pinned comment right down below this video. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. And guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. We have a goal this week of 1,500 thumbs up, so let's see if we can hit that, and we'll do a gift card giveaway next weekend. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are doing this week, and please share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and I will see y'all on the next one.